So we're moving all of this furniture out from the garage.
Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel, Dee Lovey Life. Encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver to my mom, aka Queen G, and as a full-time stay-at-home homemaker. A variety of videos sharing caregiving tips, cooking, gardening, decluttering, cleaning, hauls, meal planning, always in my planner, chatting, and sometimes a burst of laughs. No, I'm just kidding. Let's face it, things happen in life, so why not make it lovely? Hi there, welcome to another episode of the Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Notice anything different here? I went ahead and decided to declutter our kitchen table, and I rescued our more formal dining table and hutch from the garage since 2015 when we stored it there, as when my mom, aka Queen G, moved into our dining room area downstairs.
So we're moving all of this furniture out from the garage. It's gonna go here. I'm gonna get rid of that one, and that one.
After our first garage sale of the year, I finally got the opportunity to pull the switcheroo. I had already dusted both pieces of furniture as we moved it in, but then I never got back to it. So now that I'm preparing for another garage sale this week, I have to just do this tiny tidy and clean and get the hutch ready to use so I can begin to transfer what I want to keep in there and then declutter the rest so I can get rid of the other bookcases on the side and the rest of the furniture. It feels so nostalgic getting this hutch back together. I sort of remember displaying a lot of crystal in here mostly. A lot of them I had decluttered over the years. We were just discussing over dinner the other night how I never bought wedding china. Mom did, and she absolutely loved hers, which I think is huge coming from her as she moved off the Navajo reservation with nothing to a bride who excitedly picked out her own one day. I think that is so cool. But she told me they broke as years went on and she finally got rid of her set. Jay's mom has several china sets. She offered one to me once before and I turned it down, thinking one day I would pick our own later on. Well, almost 23 years later, I still haven't. I just never got into the whole having china kind of thing, I guess. Are you? Did you pick out your china? I don't know. I was brought up washing my stepmother's china by hand, and I guess that totally ruined it for me. I hated to wash the many china plates and bowls, even down to the little teacups each holiday or special occasion. I was literally over that. I'm sort of planning on using this to store my day-to-day dishes, bowls, and matching coffee cups we found as we moved the furniture. These furniture pieces were stored since 2015 in our garage. Slowly, as time went on, boxes and storage boxes piled upon them, hid them. I don't know. I guess we will see what I place in here as this project of mine continues. Queen G is still sleeping on this early morning, so this allowed me to do a quick Tiny Tidy Tuesday. This video is part of an open collaboration with Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. All her information in this week's playlist will be listed in the description box, so make sure to go check the other ladies who participate. We are always doing something so entirely different. That's the beauty of it. This was another project I really didn't want to do because I was afraid of, get this, breaking the glass. But here I am. doing what I can without feeling overwhelmed. I know I will feel so much better when I get this done. This is really stopping me in completing the next steps of my decluttering. This has to be done. I'm so glad you're along with me. And if you're new, I would appreciate if you click that subscribe button. And if you're here, click on that like button. Now it's time to clean these glass display shelves. I'm not going to lie, I was so careful. The pressure is on to not, and I repeat, D, do not break the glass. Well, well, no broken glass. Yay! My husband's going to be impressed. Just kidding. He offered to put it all together like 2 weeks ago for me, but I told him I wanted to film it later. I know, YouTuber problems, right? It would have been done so much earlier than now, but hey, it's done. And the bottom cabinets were dusted out as well. All ready now to store.
Make sure to click on the playlist in the description box below and click on one of these videos for more inspiration.